mga 11 million Filipinos who are members of co-op.
11
Kung
million.
job creation, malaki ang job creation ng cooperative movement. Kaya lang hindi masyadong highlights. Kaya Co-op Chamber is advocating on cooperation among co-ops at saka yung cooperative agenda talaga na kasi tingin natin na ito talaga yung isang last hope rin ng mga Pilipinos to be transparent, to do what is good for the community, for the common good. So, wala kasing organization ngayon in the Philippines when you talk about that represent the movement Kasi ang mga federation, halimbawa itong mga business federation, nag-represent sila sa kanilang mga members. So maraming mga business federations. Pero when you talk about legislative agenda, when you talk about executive agenda, example for that, may batas na 11364 na that is the requirement ito yung lagyan talaga ng cooperative development officer ang lahat ng mga cities at saka municipalities. Ngayon wala pa meron naman pero it's not that well implemented. And then ang lobby rin sa Co-op Chamber na yung ilagay talaga doon should comes from the cooperative movement. Kasi kung co-op movement, kahit pangalan pa lang at saka apelido, alam mo na galing yan sa co-op Pero maglagay ng tao dyan, hindi alam, mag-learn pa siya sa cooperative and maging political appointee pa. So, gusto natin ng Co-op Chamber na kasi ang Co-op Chamber ngayon, we already have 16 regional presidents naka-in place na. We are new, but little by little, we organized our pushing that our cooperatives, kapag local issues, legislations, the regional presidents and officers can represent para ma-boost talaga siya. Ngayon, kapag magkonsulta, kaya ko kahit sa Senado o sa lower house, pag mag-consult sila sa amendments, ang magpunta doon, of course, marami doong mga co-op officers, pero the question is, are they really representing the whole 11 million members of Filipinos who are members of the cooperative? Yun ang question. So Co-op Chamber is advocating for that na mga maliliit na kooperatiba, mga malalaki, they have equal na doon per regions, madala namin ang mga issues per regions, then ibigay namin sa national na ito yung ilabi natin para rin maka-help tayo our cooperative movement.
Si Judge may